Hello everyone and welcome. Welcome back to Crypto Girl. Today we have a very interesting project which is Polka War. But before jumping directly into today's video, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor and before investing in anything, always do your own research. Polka War is an innovative DeFi and FDing platform promising users the ability to experience a new era of blockchain-based gaming with some impressive performances across 2021. The crypto community seems to have forgotten about Polka War, but with some exciting news around the corner. Is this a project you should be checking out, or is Polka War on its last breath? Polka War is an awesome blockchain-based empty gaming platform and marketplace with a strong focus on moment-to-moment gameplay and fighting. The Polka War team has taken a very close look at the current crypto empty and gaming narratives, creating a classic gaming title that appears familiar but is not afraid to be innovative and improve upon when it needs to. The native Pure token has been openly trading since Q3 2021. The token itself is featured on the Binance Smart Chain and has seen some impressive levels of performance since its release. Starting at the modest listing price of token saw a rise to a whopping 80 cents, but this 900x growth was just the beginning. Towards the end of Q4 2021, Pure saw a climb from the 12-cent mark to an all-time high, pushing $1.20. Those are some insane returns for early investors. Imagine buying in early at seeing your initial investment climb to $1.20. That's 1900x. And this isn't some overnight moonshot, but a gradual rise over a few months. That being said, the entire crypto space has been suffering across 2022, with the Pure token dropping from its all-time high currently sitting around the 2-cent mark, but with some interesting plans for the future of the project. Can the Polka War team help return the project and the native Pure token to its former glory? Or is Polka War destined to fizzle out and be forgotten? The game itself is underpinned by a huge variety of FD assets. The characters themselves, warriors, magicians, and archers, exist as EFT assets, able to be equipped with a seemingly endless variety of in-game items from swords, guns, scepters, helmets, and even mounts. Every aspect of gameplay seems to be completely customizable. That being said, there is far more to Polkmore than purely gaming. Don't get me wrong, Polkmore Realm is at the heart of the Polkmore ecosystem. This FD-based, decentralized fighting game in which gamers from around the world have complete freedom in order to create or build their very own characters. Then, taking these custom characters and facing them off against one another, players are able to have fun and see consistent earnings through their time spent in the game. And although there is a strong focus on the team, there also exists an arena focused purely on individual players as well as multiple missions, challenges, and rewards to guarantee that gamers will always have another means of earning and playing towards. Gamers can also take a step back and look to take advantage of the Polkmore NFC marketplace and the many opportunities it presents. Players will be able to buy, sell, and bid for equipment or weapons for their character. All trades shall be run through the native P War token. The Polka War team is also looking to further bridge the virtual and real world through the Polka War Logistics Initiative, a relatively innovative plan. Logistics is a solution for those who want to own NFTs in the real world, enabling holders the ability to convert their FD items, equipment, and weapons to physical, real-world, tangible items through the logistics system. Polka War will ship the product directly to the buyer's address, a novel and attractive function we have barely seen across the crypto space, but we expect to see far more of them in the near future considering the huge wave of decentralized projects focusing on things like artificial merchandise and more. Although Polkmore provides a fun and engaging fighting-based gameplay, there are fewer projects that are true to the spirit of game fee and revenue systems. The sheer amount of utility the native Pure token provides is really impressive. Firstly, users can earn Pure tokens by participating in in-game battles as a classic reward token through the play to earn system. If gamers don't want to get directly involved with the gameplay, Users can also earn through leasing their equipment at the marketplace, allowing gamers that don't own their very own EFT the ability to jump in play and earn using higher valued assets owned by other gamers. Staking is a brilliantly safe and passive means of earning through the Polka ecosystem, alongside farming rewards for providing liquidity and locking LP tokens, with holders able to stake and yield farm their PWAR tokens in order to earn more tokens in gems to further level up equipment. There is also a swapping and lending tool featured on the Polka Bridge decentralized application, as well as a fully operational launchpad hosting new and upcoming projects. The Polka Bridge platform is easily accessible through the official Polka War webpage and is capable of running transactions through Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, Polygon, and the Harmony chain. The Polka War concept was initially conceived back in Q1 2021. The team has worked fast and has consistently stuck to milestones: a fully audited smart contract, fully operational staking and farming capabilities, a number of successful private sale rounds, and FD airdrops. As of now, the Polkmore team is gearing up for some major release regarding the metaverse itself, with a testnet operational and ensuring a stable platform for the future of Polkmore products. The latter half of 2022 shall see a highly anticipated move to earn gaming platform, the launch of the marketplace, and the full-scale deployment of the metaverse for gamers to get involved with. 2023 is the official timeframe plan for the release of the game and adventure mode and further development of additional multi-chain games, with a Polka War team looking for strategic combinations and partnerships at that time in the hopes of integration with other GameFi projects. It is clear to see that the biggest shortcomings of the Polka War platform is the fact that the PWAR token has not been performing in recent months, but it is hard to argue just how well the token was faring throughout 2021, seeing two steady peaks of growth over a long period of time without any major releases from the team. This is not a degen moonshot token, but a long-term project that is focused on sustainability and healthy levels of growth, combined with the fact that there have been few announcements from the Polka War team through the former half of 2022, and that there was a very brutal crypto winter. That being said, the Polka War team is gearing up for some major releases, with Q1 2023 seeing the full-scale launch of its game. That does not mean that the Polkmore ecosystem is stagnant. Until then, the Polka Bridge dApp has a number of potentially lucrative applications, from staking yield, farming, lending, swapping, and more.